Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Eco Mystery. Hope everyone is fine and safe. So in the today's class we will discuss about the rectification of the entry. So we'll discuss how we can post the rectification of the entry and why it is relevant to rectify these entries whenever we do some mistakes. So sometime whenever we are maintaining the books of accounts, it might be possible that we will do some mistakes while posting the journal entry, but as an accountant it's our responsibility that we will reflect the accurate position of the books of accounts. So to reflect the accurate position or the correct position, it's our duty to rectify the errors, right? So first of all we'll discuss how many types of the errors we can do. First one is error of omission. Error of omission means whenever we forget to record any transaction, we totally miss any entry to record. Suppose you made any sale, you have not encountered, you have not recorded or recorded or enter in your books of account. Suppose you made any purchase and that you have not recorded in your books of accounts. Suppose you have received any cash or purchased any furniture, but you totally missed to record these types of the transaction. So it is an error of omission, which it means you have totally forget or totally missed to record those sort of the transaction. Next one is error of commission. It means you have entered or recorded the transaction in the books of accounts but not accurately. You have entered the wrong amount, or either you have entered the wrong date, or either entered the wrong account. Suppose you have made the sale but you have entered the transaction as a purchase. Suppose you have purchased a furniture but you have not debited the furniture account, you have debited another expense account. Or suppose you have purchased the furniture of 10,000 but you have recorded the transaction by 1 lakh. So these are the types of the errors are called as a error of commission, where you have entered the transaction but not accurately. Error of principle. It means you have not applied the correct principles. Like whenever we made any sale, so that revenue account should be credited as per the accounting rule, but in your books of account you have debited it. So this is the error of principle, where you have not applied the correct principle or correct approach as per the accounting rules. Compensating error. It means you whatever the error you have made, but due to these errors the difference will not occur in the trial balance. Like suppose you have made the sale and you also have made the you have also able to you have purchased some goods, right? So in the sale you have recorded the sale by less than 1000 rupees. In a similar manner you have recorded the purchases by undervalued by 1000 rupees. So it means in the credit side you have not recorded 1000, and in the debit side also you have not recorded 1000, right? The debit and credit side, both the sides are undervalued by 10,000. So it means the difference will not occur. So it means we have occurred any error due to which the difference will not occur. The difference will not be, you will not be able to see any difference in the trial balance. So these types of the errors are very difficult to find out, right? So we have majorly four types of the error. One is error of omission. It means you totally miss out to record the transaction. Second is error of commission, where in which you have recorded the transaction but not accurately. Error of principle. It means you have not applied the correct approach or correct accounting principles. Last one is compensating error, in which you have occurred the error, but due to amount we are not able to find out the trial balance, because due to the error the difference is not visible directly in the trial balance. Okay, so let's try some examples to build the understanding. A credit sale of 12,000. It means you have made a sale but on the credit basis. To whom you have made the sale? Ramesh, which you was recorded as a 1200 in the sale book. It means you have recorded the sale but not as a 12,000. You have recorded the sale as a 1200. It means the difference you have to record as a sale. So 10,800 you have to record. Ramesh account debit to sale. Wages paid 5,000 were wrongly debited to the salary account. It means you have paid the wages account debit to cash. You have to put the entry, or you have to record the entry, but what you recorded in your books of account, salary account debit to cash. It means cash is correctly credited in the books of accounts, but which wrong account you have debited it? Salary. So it should be credited it, and wages account should be debited it, because this ideally we have to do. Okay. Goods returned to a supplier. It means you have purchased some goods which you have returned. So whenever so it is a purchase return, and purchase return should be credited but not recorded anywhere. It means it is an error of omission, because you totally forget to record the transaction, so we have to record it. So supplier account debit to purchase return. Purchase of furniture for 20,000 was wrongly debited to the purchase account. It is similar to question number 2 where you have debited to the wrong account. So it is a error of principle. So it means furniture account debit to purchase account. Okay. Next case study. Sunrise Traders prepared its trial balance for the year ended March 2025 and found that the debit and credit will not agree. They will not reconcile. After investigation, the accountant found the following errors. Sale of goods to Rohan for 12,000 was recorded in the sale book as 21,000. It means they have recorded the sale additionally of 9,000 which they have to reverse back. Okay. Sale account. So what entry they will post? Sale account debit to Rohan. Okay. Purchase of furniture 15,000 was incorrectly debited to the purchase account. So it is similar to the example 4 where they have debited to the purchase account. It means purchase account they have to credit it and furniture account they have to debit again. So what entry they will post? Furniture account debit to purchase account. Okay. Third, cash received from Meena. It means Sunrise Trader has received the cash from Meena. What entry ideally they have to post? Cash account debit to Meena was correctly entered in the cash book. It means cash account is correctly recorded but no entry was posted to the Meena account. It means Meena account we have to credit it but also we have to give in the effect to the other side because entire accounting is based on the double side accounting. So suspense account debit to Meena's account. So whenever we have come across any situation where only they have made the error in one account, so another effect we should have to give into the suspense account. Okay. Return inward. It means it is a sale return was wrongly posted to the return outward account. So whenever is there any sale return, it should be debited sale return account debit to return outward account because earlier they have debited the return outward account which they should have to be debited. Wages paid for the installation of machinery. So whenever we have paid any wages for the installation of machinery, it should be capitalized in the cost of machinery. So what they did, they have debited to the wages account, but ideally they have to debit it to the machinery account, right? So what entry they have to post? Machinery account debit to cash, but what entry they have post? Wages account debit to cash. So ideally what rectification entry they have to post? Machinery account debit to wages account. Machinery account debit to wages account. A payment of 5,000 made to a supplier was correctly entered in the cash book. Okay, it means they have made a payment to the supplier which they was correctly entered in the cash book, but while posting to the ledger it was posted as a 10,000 to the debit of supplier account. It means what entry ID they have to post because they are making a payment to the supplier account debit to cash by 5,000, but what they have posted? Supplier account debit to cash, supplier account 10,000 and cash book 5,000. It means additionally 5,000 they have recorded in a supplier account which they have to reverse back. So what entry they will post? Suspense account debit 5,000 to supplier account 5,000. Okay. Second question. A credit sale of 45,000 to Pooja were posted her account as 54,000. It means in the Pooja's account they have posted as additionally 9,000 which they have to reverse back, right? So what entry they will post? Pooja account debit. Not Pooja, because whenever they make a sale, what entry they will post? Ideally Pooja account debit to revenue by 45,000, right? But they have posted it Pooja account debit 54,000 to revenue 54,000, so they have to reverse the Pooja's account. So suspense account debit to Pooja's account 9,000. A purchase return of 8,500 was correctly recorded in the purchase book but posted to the debit side of supplier account. So there is no error in this entry because whenever you make any purchase return account should be credited and supplier account should be debited. So no error in this entry. Wages paid for the installation of machinery but debited to the wages account. We already done this example in the earlier question, so I hope you are able to solve this. Sale book were undercast by 6,000. It means in the sale book you have not recorded the revenue of 6,000 that you have to record, right? Suspense account debit to 6,000. Okay. A check of 25,000 received from Ramesh. You have received a check from the Ramesh, right? So what entry ID you should have to record? Bank account debit. Ramesh, you have received a check, right? So what idly? Bank account debit to Ramesh, but the check was dishonor. It means you have not received any payment, but the problem is the entry was completely omitted. So earlier you have recorded. So in this case, what entry you have recorded? Ramesh account debit to bank. Because earlier you have received the check, because you have received the check, it means earlier you have recorded the entry as a receipt of the cash, but later on it was dishonest, so you have to reverse the transaction. So in this example they were saying that the dishonor entry you have not recorded, since you have to record the dishonor entry. Rent paid 18,000 was debited to the building account. It means you have paid the rent. So, but ideally entry you have to post rent account debit to cash. But what they have posted, building account debit to cash. So, but rectification entry they have to post rent account debit to building account. Okay. I request everyone to try more and more examples, then only you will be able to build your understanding towards the rectification of the entry. And this concept will also help you in a practical life also, because through this you will able to build your understanding or enhance your understanding how do you pose the rectification entry. Okay. And if you face any uh, uh, doubts, or if you have any queries, you can reach out to me at any time. I'm happy to help you. Okay.